Good luck.
Hello. Good night. I'm really pleased to be here. My name is Natalia Santos. I'm from Rede Jovem. And actually, Rede Jovem is a social program, so we have been working with social change for 10 years now, and always through new technologies. So our mission is to empower low-income youth from Brazil, always through new technologies. And in fact, we have been working with mobile technology since 2006. And we started to research and discover that the cell phone could and had to be used as a powerful tool to promote social change and social inclusion as well, not only the computer, but also the cell phone. And this, I was only wanting to highlight for you that in Brazil we have the main part of consumers are prepaid phones, and that we offer mobile solutions for all kinds of phone and all users. So in 2006, we started creating this SMS for social change work. And in Portuguese, it's 0800, which is the free call number. So we deliver SMS and daily content about free, locally offered opportunities within 5 low-income areas from Brazil, from 3 states. And 500 people, registered users, low-income youth from residents from those areas receive SMS daily content with 500 messages regarding free opportunities, so a concert, a job offer, courses, training events, everything for free. And then we created SMS Sports, which is focused on sports and citizenship information, and additional 400 youths received them in the same places. Then we created the SMS Guide, which is the systematization of all this work, and we are now distributing this guide to social institutions willing to use SMS as a tool to promote and catalyze their actions and social actions, especially. And then in 2008, we started researching all these location-based systems and social networks, all location-based, and then we started to think, and we wanted to understand why low-income youth was not adopting those tools. And what was the main challenge for us to create impact and deliver a good system and a wiki-based system for everyone to produce content and not only consume it, but produce regarding locally offered opportunities. And main of all, we wanted to highlight the good aspects of low-income areas from slums from Brazil, and because those places are usually known as violent centers and marginality centers, and actually those places are not on the virtual maps. So this was a challenge for us. How could we ensure good visibility if the only maps produced by about slums and low-income areas was only highlighting that those was areas that you had to run away from because there were violence. So we wanted to highlight resources and map vocations and point of enters within poor areas. But those residents, they have this problem that they don't have an official address. So we're not talking about only dynamic systems and social networks, location-based systems. We're talking about citizenship and human rights. So we came up with a simple solution created with basic technologies and a collaboratively built system to show to the world that residents from slums, they work, they have schools, they have hospitals, they have nice places, and to show the world that they exist. So this was how we created the methodology. The social actors, the map agents, are called wiki reporters, and they are all residents from those slums. So we are relying on local knowledge. It's not me that don't live in the slum that are with an outside view and saying that this is so interesting. So this is created by residents. And we created an application, and for it we map streets that are not on the virtual official maps. So we're kind of recreating the cartography and the geography and integrating poor areas and really...
Now you need to wrap up.
Okay, so this is it. This is the idea. This is our newly project with mobile technology. And for the future, we are planning a lot of new features. Now everyone gets to map persons and local celebrities and also events. We want to story tell and we want to show the world all the good stuff within the poor areas. That's it.
Natalia. Thank you. Give her a hand.